Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the app menu layout on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the up or other crown button. Once you open wake up the screen on your watch, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. And here we have the app menu. As you can see, now it's in the grid style, so basically the icons are in the grid, and we can change this style. To do it, find the settings icon on the list, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called watch face and home, tap on it, and here scroll down, tap on home, and as you can see we can select between grid and list. Select one of the options, and I selected the list, so now when I open the menu it's gonna be in the list, as you can see, format. Let's change it to the grid, so let's go back like this, and that's how the grid looks like. Okay, and that's how you change the app menu layout on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.